From a hobbyist to a thriving artist, 30-day challenge, day 6. Today, we are talking about switching from a hobbyist mindset to a professional business person artist mindset. How is that gonna work? Let me explain. A hobbyist wouldn't necessarily want to sell their art, whereas a professional artist would love to make money from what they love doing. A hobbyist wouldn't trust themselves to exhibit their work or to teach art, whereas a professional artist would know the value of their skills and would do anything to reach more people who are interested in their art or artistic skills. A hobbyist can choose to be invisible, but a professional artist, a business person, don't have the luxury to be invisible. A hobbyist don't have to be good at communications, but a professional artist, a good business person, needs to have good communication skills. A hobbyist doesn't have to know things like sales or marketing, but a business person will need to know some basics about selling, marketing, promotions, and copyright. A hobbyist wouldn't necessarily care about giving value to others, but professional artists would love to give value to their community. After hearing this, where do you stand? Are you a hobbyist or more like closer to a professional artist? And what do you have to do you think, to have a more like a business person mindset? Please share in the comments. I would love to know what you think. I'll see you tomorrow in a new video of our 30-day challenge.